Let's talk about how HTML works. For example, HTML use tags and elements to define different parts of web page. For example, let's say h1 element. h1 The h1 tag defined for heading. For example, this is heading, and we have h1 to h6, like we can say h2. This is second heading. We have h3. This is third. We have h4. This is fourth. We have h5. This is fifth, and we have h6. So this and we have paragraph. Let us see what we create. So browser read HTML code and render the content as a web page, showing heading, text, images, links according to the code structure. For example, look at how we write this. We write h1. We write h1, h2. It shows how we write it. Tags. These tags are the building blocks of HTML. Tags come in field, like these are building tags are building blocks of HTML. Tags come in pairs, like p tag with the opening tag and closing tag. So many HTML tags has opening and closing, and we have tags that has set closing tag, like br. It doesn't have any closing tag. But before we get into many tags, we have to understand the HTML element. HTML element is a complete structure including the opening tag, content, and closing tag. For example, this h1 to the end is HTML element. So h1 is opening tag, this is heading, is a content, and this is a closing tag. So we call it HTML elements. And we have HTML attribute. We have HTML attribute. Attribute is like just additional information about an element. For example, if we say anchor tag, this tag, a tag. So it has it is a link tag, like we use it to link the document. We use it like to we have anchor tag. We use it to link the documents with another document, with another website. We use it to link, for example, this attribute. We use it to put URL here so that user can click and go to another page. For example, let's copy Google. So says go to Google. So if you, okay, I don't do mistake. If you click on it, it will take you to Google. So that is the function of it, and this is an attribute. So attribute most okay, attributes, it's come in opening tag. So we get an attribute in opening tag because if you move this attribute, just leave it here. Let's see. So the link has gone. So we support to write that attribute so that it can work. So that is how, okay, sorry. So that is how HTML works, and that is how the, okay, now you know what is HTML, what is HTML tags, what is HTML elements, and what is HTML attribute. Now, okay, so now you understand what is HTML, what is HTML tags, and what is HTML attributes, and what is HTML elements. So now what are you waiting for? Let's get our hand to the code.